everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, it's a long overdue household and lifestyle empties. This would be from fall and winter. So I like to do my beauty empties separately if you're new to my channel, and I will link a playlist above here in the cards. But I find that a lot of people, or sometimes people, don't want to see all the lifestyle and household stuff and they'll kind of skip it. So if that's you, then you might not like this video, but if you don't mind seeing all the recommendations or things that I've tried and things that I liked and didn't like, then this one is probably a good one for you. I do like these myself. I find that sometimes I like them more than the beauty empties because I obviously buy a lot more household stuff than I do makeup and skincare and body care. So I hope you like this. Let's get started. It's a crazy amount of stuff, so I want to go through this pretty quickly. The first thing I'm going to start with, I'm actually moving, like pulling the blanket towards me that this stuff is odd because there's so much crap. So the first things I'm going to go through are more of like the lifestyle stuff, and I have two of these Vega protein and energy with the MCT oil cold brew coffee flavored. I have raved about these before. I've put this in a favorites video. I went through two of them. They are delicious. I picked them up at Costco. If you love coffee, then you will absolutely enjoy this if you want something for protein. I actually prefer this in the morning. I use it as a protein shake when I'm in a hurry, don't have time to make or eat like a regular breakfast. So I will take a cup of coffee and usually whatever left in my coffee maker, add some ice, add a scoop of this, mix it up, it's good to go, and off to work I go. So I love this, will definitely repurchase, and if you're looking for a good protein powder, I can highly suggest that one. Going along with coffee, we all know, if you are no stranger to my empties videos, that I have a huge problem with coffee creamer. Now, I cut back a while ago, and unfortunately it's crept back into my life and it's back at full force. Now it's dripping. Oh my god. Okay, so this is all of it. But this is the last so many months, so you know, don't go too hard on me. So I have, you'll notice a couple, actually I think they're all different. That's really weird. I buy this one all the time. This is the white chocolate raspberry by International Delight. That's one of my all-time favorites. It's so delicious if you like white chocolate. Then I have a, let me see, let's stick with this, pumpkin pie spice from, obviously, oh my god, I'm drawing a blank, Thanksgiving time. That came out right away. That was one of the first ones I bought. And then I also have two Coffee Mates. So this one is the cinnamon vanilla cream, which I absolutely adore and love as well. Anything with cinnamon. And then the peppermint mocha around Christmas time. And also, oh look at this, a Friendly Farms. So this is all the peppermint bark. So this one, as well as a cinnamon roll. So I tend to stick with the same flavors. I'm trying to cut back again. It's a work in progress. We will see what happens. All right, next thing we'll do are like supplements. So I haven't been taking as many as what I used to. The reason why is because I started running out of them. I'll get the big bottles from BJ's, and I ran out of them and I just haven't repurchased them, and I need to, or Costco, so I will be doing that very shortly. But this is everything that I recently went through, and it's mainly Dominik stuff. So I swear by these. These are the Smarty Pants Kids Probiotics. So Dominik used up 2 bottles of this, and now I recently have been picking up the big bottles at BJ's. So they have them at BJ's as well as Costco now. They taste delicious. Sometimes I sneak them. They are strawberry cream flavor. They're so yummy, and they do help him with his little tummy. So that's a good thing. And then also we went through 2 of the Flintstones Plus Immunity Support vitamins. I just picked these up at Walmart. They do the job. And then I went through a Nature Made melatonin 3 milligrams. Melatonin is a love-hate with me. I love it because it works for me, but then it wakes me up in the middle of the night with ridiculously scary, very real dreams and nightmares. So if you have any recommendations of something that helps with sleep that does not give you nightmares, please let me know in the comments down below. And then I went through a Vitafusion Fiberwell sugar-free gummies. I picked these up at Costco. This was the first time trying them. Not a huge fan. I probably would not buy these again. Not that they were like disgusting or anything, but I didn't notice any difference with them, and there was 220 gummies in here, and they were kind of on the tougher side, not as soft as some of the other ones. Dominik did not like these as well, so these are definitely not a repurchase for me. Then I have one of the Flonase. This was just for allergies. I tried this for the first time. I've never tried this before, and I felt like it worked really well when I first started using it, and then I felt like it did nothing after a little while. So I don't know if that's normal. So I haven't repurchased it since then, but it was nice to try in the beginning. And this one is such a bummer for me. I'm so sad about this. This was the Advanced Nutrition Systems Methyl Pump 3.0, and it was in cherry limeade flavor. I picked this up from GNC a long time ago, and I was using it as like a pre-workout mix. I just stopped taking it for a while because I wasn't working out, and look what happened. So if the air is getting to it, it all clumps together. I actually was digging this out, mixing it up in a mixing thing, and then the last time I drank it, I got so sick to my stomach, and that's never happened to me before, and I have to say goodbye. I just had it for way too long, so I need to say goodbye. The next things I have, sometimes I have bottles of wine, sometimes I don't, but this time I do, and I wanted to share them. When we were in Maine, we went to this little farm stand, and they had all this Boothby's wine, and I thought it was just that farm stand. It was their wine, but then I noticed that this was kind of spread out in all the places we were going, so I'm not sure if it's like something that's just local to Maine or whatnot, but I hated it, so I would not recommend this one, but it was not for me. This is the Orchard White Semi-Sweet Apple Table Wine, and I just tasted more like rubbing alcohol, and I feel bad because I know it's like, you know, just this, but I didn't like it. To me, it was just too much like tasting, it was drinking alcohol, like rubbing alcohol. And then, but this one I love. This is the Hazlitt White Cat Finger Lakes White Wine. My uncle brought this for Thanksgiving for me, and this is so good. I took a picture of it because I didn't want to not know what it was, and I'm gonna go stock up on some because I savored this because I thought it was the most delicious wine. It's very sweet if you like sweet wine, but they have other flavors, and I cannot wait to try them all out. So if you are looking for a nice sweet wine, this one is really, really tasty, and I believe it's like $13 a bottle, and it's a big bottle, so not bad at all. Oh my God, there's so much stuff. I think this is the last two things for like lifestyle. The rest is like cleaning stuff. Dr. Scholl's Callus Remover, Salicylic Acid. These things work. Dominik gets calluses on his feet all the time, and we always use these, and they really do work. So if you have those, it's like a gel that you stick on there, and then you keep it on. They work really, really well. And this one, I was not going to show it, but I figured it might be helpful to someone. This is the Lotrimin liquid spray for, it's supposed to be for athlete's foot, but Frank gets like this really weird like heat rash in the summertime and on his back. And the dermatologist said, because it's like can almost kind of turn into like a fungus, which is really disgusting, but it's not fun for him, but she actually recommended to get this and then use that, and it really does help. So if you ever have that problem, or if you know somebody that suffers from that, then try this because it really does work, and then that was recommended from our dermatologist. Cleaning products. I'm gonna try to go through this really fast. Okay, we have 3 bottles of my all-time favorite Gain. So 1, 2, 3. I think I do way too much laundry in this house for 3 people. but that's just me. And then I went through a Kirkland premium dishwasher packs, and that is from Costco. These are fine. I always buy them. I'm gonna pull this blanket closer to me because I am reaching too far now. All right, let's go. Okay, we have 2 sprays. You're gonna see a lot of Mrs. Meyer's stuff because I go through Grove. Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Scent. Oh my God, amazing. We'll definitely repurchase this. This is the everyday cleaner. And the peppermint scent, not my favorite, but it was nice. I will probably get that again. Then we have dish soaps. This is again peppermint scent and another Acorn Spice Scent. Amazing. Cannot wait until that comes out again. And then we have a hand soap in the apple cider scent. I love this one. We'll definitely repurchase that. A couple more hand soaps. We have another one of the hand soaps from Mrs. Meyer's. This is the Iowa Pine. Absolutely love it. Anything like smells like Christmas tree, it is for me. And 2 Bath and Body Works ones. This is Kitchen Lemon. Not my favorite, but Frank likes it, so every now and then I'll buy it and put it for him. Winter White Woods. If I would know how amazing this smells, I would have bought 20 of them. What is it? White Birch Balsam for Snowy Marshmallow. So, so good. Definitely recommend. It's amazing. Try it next time. I found 2 more Lifestyle Empties. Holy moly. I'm speeding through. Okay. This, I usually don't share like food stuff unless it's really interesting, but this is a Bitten Creamy Blueberry Basil salad dressing, and I got this at Walmart because I was sent a coupon from Pinch Me, I believe. I'll link that website down below. So you test out products. So they send you vouchers sometimes to pick up free products, and this was one of them. This is delicious. It's so, so, so tasty. And let's see, 2 tablespoons, 50 calories. It's not too bad. They have awesome flavors. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a new salad dressing. And Dominik loves these, and I hate them because I feel like he saws his gums with them, but the Oral-B complete little floss picks. But if you, since I'm the dental person, if you are not a flosser and this is your choice of what you're going to use, then you better use this rather than no floss at all. But not a fan. Okay, last couple things. Let's see if I can get through this. Okay, you're probably going to see this a lot in a lot of people's empties because of this coronavirus that's going around. And we have 2 Clorox disinfecting wipes. I don't like wipes because I don't like to be wasteful, but I had these and I wanted to use them up, as well as I'm coming down to my last couple packs of my very favorite 7th generation Garden Mint wipes. I love these, but they are going bye-bye because I'm trying to be more conscious about using so many products. Like this stuff is all gonna try to be recycled, but I just feel bad. And one thing I never realized that is so wasteful that I will stop buying once I go through the ones that I have are these Method dryer sheets, and this was in the ginger mango scent. They lasted me forever. They smell really nice, but they're super wasteful, so I have more actually I'm using right now, but once I go through them, I will switch to my wool dryer balls because I do have them. I just don't use them because I like these more. But that's it. That is it. I think we're done. That is a lot of junk, and I'm ready to move on with my life. Let's end our video with our quote. And the quote of this video is, "There are no shortcuts to any place worth going," and that is from Beverly Sills. I'm not sure who that is, but if you are, I'm dropping things. If you are on YouTube or have any other goal or any other thoughts in mind of things or something you want to do or somewhere you want to go, then you know that that is certainly true. So that is my quote for the day. Don't forget to tune in on Saturday and look for the next video in my new series that I just started. And also, I have 2 updates for you. I like putting these little tidbits in, and then I will stop talking and we can see me on Saturday. 2 things really quick. Better Homes and Gardens Sandalwood and Vanilla Aromatherapy Scented Wax Cubes. If you are a wax melter and you have not tried these yet, oh my God, I am obsessed. It's my new favorite. It smells so good, it lasts so long, and it's so strong, and it is delicious, and you will love this if you like scents like this. It is perfect, and I adore it, and I'm going to buy 20 of them. And the other last thing I have is, if you have Netflix, listen to me very carefully. If you have Netflix and you are searching for something to watch and you keep seeing that Don't F with Cats or Kittens or whatever the title is, and you're intrigued like I was yesterday to know, what is this? Why does this keep coming up on trending? Click on it. It's not what you think it is, or at least it's not what I thought it was. Be prepared to be glued to the television, be in shock, not sleep at night. It's horrible, and I cannot say anything about it. Just be forewarned that it's very hard to watch, and it's not what a lot of people I think it was about. It's really awful. So I did not sleep last night. I am running on pure caffeine. That is probably why you can tell I'm hyper. I warned you. You're welcome. Have a great day. See you Saturday. Bye-bye.